Welcome to Havana, Cuba's vibrant and historic capital. A city where time seems to stand still, yet every corner pulses with life, music, and color. From its colonial architecture to its lively streets, Havana is a feast for the senses. Let's explore. Start your journey along the Malecón, Havana's iconic seawall. Here you'll see rows of vintage American cars from the 1950s, a symbol of the city's unique charm. Take a ride in one and feel like you've stepped back in time. Next, wander through Old Havana, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its cobblestone streets are lined with pastel-colored buildings, bustling plazas, and historic landmarks like the Cathedral of Havana and the Plaza Vieja. Don't miss El Capitolio, Havana's stunning Capitol building, and the Gran Teatro de la Habana, home to world-class ballet and opera performances. These architectural gems are a testament to the city's rich history. Havana is alive with music. From salsa to son cubano, you'll hear rhythms everywhere you go. Join the locals in a lively square or visit a salsa club to dance the night away. Fuel your adventure with Cuban cuisine. Sip on a refreshing mojito or a classic daiquiri and savor dishes like ropa vieja, tostones, and Cuban sandwiches. Don't forget to try a café cubano, it's a must. Art lovers rejoice, Havana is a hub of creativity. Visit the Fábrica de Arte Cubano, a multi-space gallery where art, music, and performance collide. For a dose of history, head to the Fortaleza de San Carlos de la Cabana and El Morro. These historic forts offer stunning views of Havana's skyline and the Caribbean Sea. Stay for the nightly cannon firing ceremony. Take home a piece of Havana by exploring its local markets. From handmade cigars to vibrant paintings, you'll find unique souvenirs that capture the spirit of Cuba. As the sun sets, join the locals along the Malecón. It's a place to relax, share stories, and soak in the magic of Havana. The city's warmth and energy are truly unforgettable. Havana is more than a destination, it's an experience. A city where history, culture, and passion come together in the most beautiful way. So pack your bags and get ready to fall in love with Cuba's colorful capital. Vamos a Havana. Thanks for watching. Join our community of explorers and get inspired for your next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new travel tips, guides, and hidden gems.